Welcome to my poor people redneck solar power station that I got running here. So I want to do an update on that controller that looked similar to this. I gotta mount this one, but that's not the one that I did the surgery on it. And there he is. There, the bad boy. There he is. Operating. This guy's running. So right now it's doing 2.6 amps at 24 volts. So it's producing what? 48.6, 48, 50. Oh, wow. Okay. So like almost 60 watts. Because 3 will be 3 times 24. Yeah. Wow. That's pretty cool. 24 rules. Eventually move to 48. So this is generating. And it's doing what? 3 panels. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, okay. It's got an extension. So it's doing 2.7. And this is a good comparison for, this was $26 under 30. I don't know which one, because the cheapest one I bought for like was $20 because it was used or something. But so I'd say probably new right now it's about 20 something, 26 on Amazon. It works pretty good as long as you don't hot rod them too much like I do. But this one's Windy City, so there's all the badging and stuff. The part number is at P30L. So this is basically like a better version of this guy. So, because this one is like about $60 brand new on Amazon right now. So this one is, where's my finger? Aha, there it is. So right now it's doing battery voltage at 26.6. Temperature, it has no probe. So it's doing 3.4 amps at 24. And this one is doing 2.4. So it's better quality. And let's see, this wires are up here and basically 3 with an extension. So it's apples to apples. The only thing this is missing is its added resistance is this extension of the red and black cords. This one doesn't have it. So even with the resistance, this one still puts out more. So see, now it's 4.1 and this one is 2.9 because the sun is going up in the sky. So yes, if you spend more money, everything is much better, more efficient. That's just how it works. But when you pow, you got to do this. You got to do it like in your some kind of country in Niger. You got to Niger rig it. I Niger rigged it. So yeah, there's my batteries. And the chickens are not happy. They're complaining because their gullets are so full. My God, chicken, you're so fat and big and old. And you got a big ass gullet. What's up with that gullet? Come here. Come here. Come here. Let me feel that gullet. Look at that. Oh, look at that gullet. See that right there? Oh my God. That should be like this. It's like, tok, 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 tok. I know. Look at that gullet. Tok, 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 tok. I crush your little head. I crush your head. I crush your head. I crush your head. Chicken. I crushed your head. You're supposed to be dead. Crush your head. Crush your head. Crush your head. My beautiful baby. She's almost 7 years old. She's a dinosaur. Already. She's a living dinosaur. In more ways than one. 20 times. And there's the other one. Like, oh, you giving attention to the old one? Come here. Come here. Let me check your gullet. Oh, that gullet's big. I crush your head. I crush your head. Come here. Let me check your gullet. Oh, your gullet's full too. And crush your head too. Crush, crush, crush. All right. That's the fun of poor country life.